All right, here we go. We're in Grandma Donna's kitchen. She had just done some
Watermelon rind and with the leftover juice, cucumber pickles.
cucumber and pickles. And she's got that stuff. And this is the kind of stuff that she does a lot of, mostly from our garden. And I'm going to taste this here in a minute. But Donna's been in here working, and she's got all of her stuff. And it's not cheap. It costs money for her to extend her creative ideas and her creative cooking skills, plus the time it takes.
Too.
And she's got all of these up here. And so for somebody to come in and destroy a garden, you're not just destroying the garden, you're destroying the opportunity to be productive. And this stuff here can be sold at markets.
We sold pints for $17 the other day.
Right. And so I just want to bring this to the forefront. Gardening, home gardening, is definitely a worthwhile activity. And especially if you've got the interest and you've got the skills to do this stuff.
And hard work.
It's hard work. It's hard work growing it. It's hard work making produce out of it.
Hard work picking the produce.
And you sweat out there picking that produce. Here's old Donna sitting right there.
Donna's tired. Donna's been working on this since 9 o'clock this morning. It's 1:25. I just finished, but it actually started last night when I had to peel all of the watermelon and put it in to soak in the saline solution overnight. So it soaked overnight. Then I had to get up and rinse it, and then I had to cook the watermelon for about 10 minutes and drain it again, and then I had to make the pickling juice and everything. And that was vinegar and sugar, cloves, allspice, cinnamon, and ginger. And then I had to bring that to a boil and then put the watermelon rind back in it. And then I had to put it in jars and process it. Because I had extra of the juice, I cut up 3 cucumbers in there and pickled them too, because there's extra. But this is quite a bit of work. However, I will say that these pickles are not crisp like the ones my mother made. So the next recipe I will do them like the sweet lime pickles, where I soak them in the lime overnight.
Wow. I just tasted that, and it was really good. You've got some great recipes, Donna, and hopefully you can get people watching, and we can reproduce some of these, some of this activity with you in the kitchen. Okay, that's it for now. This is Uncle Joe, and we're out. I think.
Now I've got to